this video, I'm going to show you one of the tool within the XRM Toolbox named as Users Role Transfer Tool. Now, I've already installed Users Role Transfer Tool. That's why it is showing me over here. In case it is not visible in your XRM Toolbox, then you need to navigate to the tool library. So if you navigate to the open tool library, and here if you perform a search, you should be able to see that tool. And then once you see that tool in this list, you just go ahead and install that tool. Now I've already installed this tool. So if I select Users Role Transfer Tool, it will open the tool and it will ask me to connect to an environment. Now I have already connected it to one of my environment, Girish Preview US over here, and that's why it is showing me the list of all the users or teams or the roles within my environment. Now just to explain what this tool does. So from an interface perspective, there are like a couple of buttons over here: load users, add roles, transfer roles, sync and try ID user. And these are the listing of user or teams, roles, and the destination user or team. So the use case which this particular tool solves is equalizing the role of a user or equalizing the role of a say user to a team or user to a user. So just to give an example, so take for example, if there is a user named as Alex, and Alex has say 5 different security roles assigned to him. Now, if you have a new username as Adele and you want to replicate all the security role of Alex to Adele, you can do that using this tool. Also, if you have a say, take for example, if you have a user named as Lee, and Lee has 5 security roles, and if you have created a new Microsoft 365 group or security group within the Power Platform Admin Center, and you want to assign that group or the what we call it as a team the privileges of what a user named as Lee has, then you can do that using this tool. So just to give you an example, first let me show you the Power Platform Admin Center. Now here in the Power Platform Admin Center, let's go into users. So you see the list of users over here. Now I have a user named as Alex. Okay, so let's pick up Alex and Adele. Now Alex, let's see what Alex security role consists of. So Alex has a basic user. Alex has a combinations no delete. Alex has a security role of hospital role and recruitment create delete and TM. Right now, just cancel this off. Let me go to Adele now, and let's see what Adele has. Now let's assume Adele is a new user. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove all this Adele's right over here from here, and I'll make everything as blank for Adele. So Adele technically does not have any security role what Alex has, or Adele does not have any security role assigned to it. Similarly for Diego, if I go to manage security roles, let's see what Diego has. Diego has nothing. Okay. So this is the context. So the goal is basically if I have a user named as Alex, and if I want this Alex's security role to be assigned to Diego, then how do I go ahead and do that? Okay. So the first example would be I'll be showing for all. Okay. So let's go back to the tool, and on the left hand side, let's search for Alex. So if I search for Alex over here, watch what happens over here in the security role. So if I select Alex, then it will start loading the roles, and it will show me Alex has a basic user, Alex has a combinations no delete, Alex has hospital role, and Alex has there's something called as TM. Alex also has recruitment create delete, and Alex also has TM. So this is the security rule which Alex has. Now, what if I want to put this entire security rule and give it to Diego? It's simple. You just type in Diego's name over here, select Diego, select Alex over here, and that's it. You select this button, add the source user's role to the roles the target user already has. So if you click on this, what it will do, it will automatically transfer the role. So it says roles added successfully. Let's verify whether it has been done or not. So initially, remember when we said that Diego didn't had any security roles. Let's go to Diego security role, and as you see over here, Diego has got the basic user, combinations no delete, hospital role, recruitment create delete, and TM. Right. So now Diego has got all these roles. Now, as we know, Adele does not have any security role assigned to her. Right. Now, what if I do not want all the role what Alex has, but some sort of role? Okay, some say hospital role or combinations role. If I want to assign that role, I can do that selectively. So here, first, what you need to do on the source, you just type in the user's name. So for us is Alex, and on the destination, I'll just pick up Adele. And now, here, what I will do, I don't want basic user to be given to Adele. I will select that. I don't want combinations. I just want, say, let's assume hospital role to be given. And there are other rules which Alex already has. I do not want that to happen. So what I'm doing is like I'm effectively removing all the security roles of Alex. I'm not removing it from Alex, but I'm removing it from the selection and I'm just assigning it to Adele. Okay. So once you do that selection, what should happen is like Adele should only get hospital role. So I'll just click on add roles, roles added successfully. And now if I go to Adele, go to manage security roles. So here, as you see over here, there's no other role except for hospital role. So that means you can selectively assign the role of a source user to a target user. Okay. Now, this is what is from a user perspective. Now let's go into Teams. So if you go to Power Platform Admin Center, go to user permissions, and here you have something in Teams. Now in Teams, remember, you just need to be focusing on security group and Office 365 group, because the security privileges cannot be assigned to an access team. So let me pick up a security group, and let me pick up one of the security groups. So let's say Norway security group. Now here in Norway sec group 1, if I select manage security role, as you see over here, there is no security role privileges given to a security group. Now, yes, it's simple. If you want to assign, what you need to do again, you just say, I want to assign all the privileges of what Alex has to the Norway security group. Yes, you can do that. So first, again, same thing. You just need to type in which user you want. In our case, it is Alex. And once you select Alex, here, as you see over here, we have made that deselection, right, previously. But now it has loaded all the security role which Alex has, right? So as you see over here, Alex has so many roles. So simple thing here, you just need to type the destination user or team. Now in our case, it's a team. So I just say Norway sec group 1, and we have uh, an option to transfer the role. So equalize the roles of the source and destination user. So if I click over here, roles transferred successfully. Now let's go back to the Power Platform Admin Center. Now let's look into Norway Security Group. Norway Security Group didn't had any security roles. Now if I go to manage security role, as you see over here, it has been completely transferred. Okay, so this is a good utility if you want to assign the security role to a either a user or a team within your organization. Thanks for watching.